Most Mac users don't know this, but there's a settings turned on by default that could be sharing your data right now. In the next minute, I'll show you exactly where it is and how to turn it off before it affects your privacy. Make sure you don't skip because one small toggle makes all the difference. Now let's fix it. So to turn off that privacy settings, here is the exact steps, okay? We are going to click on the system preferences. In the newer versions of Mac, it's system settings. So I'm going to click on that. And then at the system preferences, we are going to click on security and privacy. So at the security and privacy, we are going to click on privacy. And then we are going to scroll down and then we'll click on analytics. By default, your Mac may be sharing analytics data, okay? It's anonymous. But if you want maximum privacy, you have to turn off these settings, okay? The share Mac analytics and then the share with app developer. So to turn it off, I'm going to click the lock to make changes. And then I'll enter my admin password, okay? So I'm going to click on unlock. And then I'm going to turn off the share Mac analytics, okay? But there's one more settings you should check, okay? So I'm going to go up, then I'll click on the location services. So I'm going to uncheck the enable location services, okay? It says allow the app and services below to determine your location. So I'm going to uncheck that. So that is it. This brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.